Still the best in the market, still the top selling trailer in this segment here, and I think they've done well. Hey guys, Destin the RV Guide here, going over more of that RV lifestyle stuff. Together we can tour the newest models. We're going to go over some RV tips and tricks, maintenance tips and tricks, RV news, and a whole lot more. If you're part of that RV lifestyle, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along for more. Hey, Destin the RV Guide here. Today we're going to do a full tour of the 2024 Cougar 22MLS. Part of their half-ton travel trailer lineup. I think about 26 or 27 foot in a total length. Nice little rear kitchen kind of couples setup in their smaller lineup. Very close to the 22 RBS, just a hair bigger. Starting off on the outside, of course, Cougar's going to give you a power tongue jack, two 30-pound LP tanks, battery box, or space for a battery box right behind there. They are not doing the Dragonflies standard anymore. It seems like it was an added cost that not a lot of people seem to enjoy the benefit from. So they went back to standard batteries. You still can option the lithiums if it's something that's important to you. You have a fiberglass front cap at the front with an automotive glass window, LED lights in the front. They are orange lights, so that's not the annoying blue that you see on some competition, and they're DOT approved, so you can actually drive down the road with them on too. Little tie down for a leash latch right there, and a decent amount of storage space in the front. Goes all the way through, fully finished pass through. No exposed wood, and then your in-command system over to the side here. Tire monitor prep equipped on the camper. I got a Solera power awning on the coach, two outdoor speakers, and then a 110 power and cable out on the other side. Now, something new for this year is Cougar's coming with ABS, coming standard now. Which you would think would be standard for a long time, but it hasn't been. Goodyear Endurance tires equipped on the coach, so no need to switch out China bombs immediately. They did update the graphics this year, a subtle change, nothing huge, but I think it looks pretty good. Backup camera prep, rear tire is also rated properly. You got an accessory hitch, which is good for a couple of 100 pounds, and then of course your bumper for the Stinky Slinky. Water hookup towards the back of the coach, LED lights all throughout on all the marker lights and such. 30 amp power connection on the camper there. And then right underneath the slide out, right on the corner of it's going to be your exit for the tank pulls. Pretty convenient spot for it. Fairly easy to get to. And our slide out here. You do have tankless hot waters coming standard now. So gas only for your hot water, but you're going to get a lot more use out of it until you start running out. Solid steps by Lippert coming into the coach, which if you're not familiar with them by now, nice upgrade from the old steps. And then once you get in, really nice setup on the inside. Lots of space. You can see the slide's not a huge slide out, but it really does make a world of difference once you step into the coach. King size bed comes standard. There is storage up underneath here. And then you can see the covers for the sink too. Wardrobe on both sides of the camper with some overhead storage. USB outlets, as well as 110 power on both sides too, which those are the inverter prepped outlets, so once you got a battery on there, you can run 110 off those. You got two windows that actually open opposing to the bed, so you can get a decent cross breeze, as well as a vent right up overhead there. Privacy curtain. Your in-command control panel right by the door here, which if I were to turn this on, all your light controls, such like that, gets turned on through here. I don't think I got enough juice to turn them all on, but we sure will try. Yeah, we're dying here. You're going to have a power recliner equipped on the coach. You can switch it out for a trifold. A lot of people seem to like the recliner, though, especially in a layout like this. Dinette converts to a bed. This is kind of sweet. They give you a little shoe spot right underneath the dinette there. Storage on the other side. Dinette will convert to a bed if you need it to. TV right up above that, which is placed perfectly in front of the recliner system. A little bit of storage up top there. Not a whole lot. Same on the other side. Furion 12-volt fridge. Pretty standard in the industry now. I think 10 cubic foot. Good amount of space. What's cool about these compared to the old gas ones is they cool down super, super fast. It's no more leaving it on for a day before you actually leave to get the thing down to temp. You kick your camper on, it's cold within 45 minutes to an hour. Decent amount of counter space in the camper for a little frame. You got your 3-burner Furion cooktop, appliance package, so you have your range hood and the microwave up above that. And what's cool is since they put it into the slide out, you can actually reach the microwave too. It's not way up top there. Good amount of storage right to the side of that. And then you got 4 full extension drawers right underneath there. And one underneath the oven too. Good storage under the sink. You got your trash can spot. Your breaker box is right on the back there. I like that they give you a little rear window to see what's going on out there. Decent amount of storage up above. And onto your commode. Porcelain toilet. Water heater controls are right next to the sink there. A little bit of counter space. Decent sized sink bowl. You got your medicine cabinet. And real glass doors for the shower. Close that up. You're good to go. Decent sized shower too. They do give you a nice little skylight so you get a little bit of light in there. And that's about a full tour of the new 2024 Cougars. They did upgrade that so you don't have the woven slide floor anymore. It's just vinyl like the rest of the coach. So it blends in really well. You can't even really tell. Still the best in the market. Still the top selling trailer in this segment here. And I think they've done well. Make sure to follow for more walkthrough videos and camper tips. And look forward to seeing you on the road. Thanks. Have a great day.